Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob and this is my 1-year review of the Vintage Air AC kit installed in my 1979 Ford Bronco. I'm posting weekly videos for you guys, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow along. Alright, let's get into it. So Vintage Air has been making quality aftermarket HVAC systems for vehicles since 1967. Based out of San Antonio, Texas, each part is engineered and manufactured right here in the USA. They offer sure-fit systems like I have installed here in the 79 Bronco, Builder Series, and front-end systems as well. So since installing my Vintage Air AC kit, it's been a huge upgrade in the summer, having a strong blowing AC, and in the wintertime it's really nice as well, having the nice strong blower fan that it has, being able to defrost the windshield or just keep the cab warm. The AC portion has even worked great during the summertime with the top off on the Bronco. Being able to just get that nice cool air, even with the windows open. The blower fan is strong enough to keep you comfortable in the summertime. 100-degree days, I've been cruising around with the top off. As long as you're not on the interstate, it can really keep up and keep you comfortable in the summertime. And I have run some tests in a 100-degree day. I put a thermometer inside the vent here to test the temperature that was coming out. 60. So it's still going down. Right now it says 56, but it's amazing how quick this Vintage Air system can cool down. It wasn't like it was super cool in our garage. I'm guessing it was about like 85 degrees. For it to be starting to put out 50-degree temps like almost immediately, that just is a testament to how awesome this Vintage Air AC kit is. Which is really incredible because most AC systems can only cool at about 15-degree efficiency. 20 or above 20 is just really stellar. And this system, even though it's recirculating hot air because the top was off, it was able to stay nice and cool. So with the new Vintage Air system, I did have to upgrade my alternator, and I went with a Tough Stuff 140 amp single wire alternator. Because this new system is all electrically driven, there's no vacuum or anything like that, you're going to need to upgrade the alternator from the stock one, and that is kind of in the fine print. I didn't realize that until afterwards. So definitely go ahead and plan on purchasing a new alternator as well. And I've included the link for it in the description below. So this sure-fit system is really nice because it does come with the compressor, the bracket, and the condenser, and the dryer, all the hoses, literally everything you need for your vehicle. And it is kind of overwhelming with how much there is to do when doing this project, but if you break it down and follow the steps that they've included, it's really not that difficult. If you've got any kind of experience working on a vehicle or doing some electrical work and just common sense, you can achieve this job and install yourself. Some of it may need a little bit of modifying or thinking outside the box. Like I did need to move my evap canister to put the bottle dryer in. That was not a huge deal, it was just something I had to relocate. All right, so let's get into the pros and cons on why you should buy this Vintage Air kit. We'll start with the pros. First off, you get a huge increase in cooling efficiency and the blower fan right out of the box. Way newer technology. The evaporator is located underneath the dash like most modern vehicles, and it includes a new firewall cover plate as well if you had an original AC vehicle like I did. What that did is it took that old unit out of the engine bay. Now I have way more room in this engine bay. Put other things, whether I want to store extra parts, tools, whatever, or you've got some sort of special turbo, if you're doing a diesel, you name it. There's so much more room for customization now underneath the hood. And everything in this sure-fit kit system is tested, proven. It's been installed on a dent side vehicle before and many other vehicles that they provide as well. So it is a proven product right out of the box. It's going to be way better than OEM. And it has the classic appearance even on the control panel as well, but with some upgraded LED lighting. And my final pro is, if you've gone ahead and spent the money on redoing your interior on your build, and now you go to fire up your AC, well, you could be blowing old dust and dirt and who knows what that's been built up in the ductwork of that system all over your fresh interior. Why not start out with a fresh, clean Vintage Air AC kit with new flex ducts and everything? That way you're not blowing all that old crap all over the interior of your fresh build. Okay, we talked about the pros, now let's talk about the cons. My only con is that this sure-fit system is expensive at $2,200. Now I do believe you get what you pay for, a quality American-made product with a company that stands behind what they make. It is going to be way better than OEM, but again, it is pricey. This has, you know, a new compressor, all new system, new electronics. There's other things along with it that you'll need to upgrade, like the alternator as well. It is also pretty complex and takes a lot of time to install it properly. Anybody could do it. You know, you take the time, go over the instructions. And if you're more of a video person, I've included all the videos breaking down how to install this system. So make sure to stick around to the end of the video to find those install videos if you're interested in doing this install. Now, I consider it more of an investment into the vehicle rather than replacing an old system that you know is going to fail on you at some point. This is going to be way better than OEM. So it is a little bit of an investment into the vehicle for the long term, but I think it's well worth it, especially if you drive in the summertime and you want to be comfortable with AC, or you just need an improved fan for the wintertime for defrosting your vehicle as well. It just makes it much more comfortable and enjoyable for those longer cruises. So if you're looking to upgrade the AC in your classic vehicle, definitely check out vintageair.com. They make them from many different vehicles, not only this 79 Bronco.
I highly recommend upgrading to the Vintage Air SureFit HVAC system,
especially if you want to spend a lot of time in your classic vehicle and be comfortable. Thanks for watching my review video of the Vintage Air AC kit. I've included the link to the Vintage Air kit that I've got installed in the description below, so make sure to click on that and check it out. And I'm posting weekly videos for you guys, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel to follow along. Thanks for watching.